Work, live, and play in the Grand Central District in historic Kenwood. This beautifully restored 1920s home is perfect as an office, a gallery, and a home. Let's head inside. The home greets you with an expansive living room highlighted by the original wood-burning fireplace and gleaming wood floors. The designer kitchen is complete with travertine floors, a beautiful custom backsplash, and plenty of cabinet and counter space. This dining area is flexible enough to enjoy a casual weeknight meal and formal enough for hosting a family get-together. The two office areas on the first floor are perfect for an artist gallery in the Artist Enclave community or as a professional office. Head upstairs and you'll find the home's 4 bedrooms, including one accessible by a rear staircase and a full bath. There's also a modern design full bath that is handicap accessible, a handicap ramp off the deck, and parking in the rear. Get around easily with scheduled Bus Rapid Transit, a walk to Central Ave Trolley, or bike around town from the path located on 1st Avenue. Thanks for taking the tour with me. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to set down new roots on a truly special property. Call today to schedule your private tour.